Newcastle for a day out with that Yugo van lot and a bit of dragon boat racing. And Mandy's still working on the train?
Always working.
Stop it. And me and Steve obviously quite chilled out.
I've done my work for the day, so...
See, there's some people in the background who've got their breakfast beers, and it's only, what, not even 9 o'clock yet. But Newcastle are playing it all today, so could be a little bit rowdy later on, but not.
To be fair, I'll be having beer before 10.
I forgot that I can do this.
I know, I was just going to say to you.
That's the new pedestrian bridge going over the River Weir, we do believe. I've just been informed by Stephen. And here we have Stadium of Light, which is Sunderland's, so we can see. Oh, a wall. That's a nice wall we're looking at. Some kind of old stitch. There it is. I do love the approach into Newcastle with all these bridges and the iconic skyline. Fantastic city, I think. It's a little bit noisy in here, but you might be wondering why we've come to Newcastle for the day. Well, it's a bit loud, isn't it? We've got some dragon boat racing going on, and we might even go for a pint. Let's see what happens. It might look sunny, but believe me, it's absolutely freezing cold. What's the temperature, do you reckon?
Glove temperature.
It's about 7.
We can go 7 degrees. Feels like 2. Well, this is where we're going in for breakfast, the Mile Castle in Newcastle, where I'm guessing it's going to be absolutely rammed with Newcastle supporters and Man City supporters, of course. Brenda's in a hurry. So it's a little bit busy in here, as we suspected, with Newcastle playing Man City at 12:30, I believe, they're kicking off. It's 3 floors and they're all absolutely rammed. So we're just wondering what to do. Brenda's gone up upstairs just to see if there's another table. We're wondering how long is it going to take us to get breakfast? We've got dragon boats to see. So Brenda makes food. What are you getting me then, Brenda? Are you going to finish that in 45 seconds?
Yeah.
Go!
I need my beard though.
Grandpa!
Oh yeah. Right. Make me a cow.
Oh, have you got nothing? Oh dear. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I absolutely love this part of Newcastle where you have to come under the... Ooh, nearly first. Where you come under the Tyne Bridge and down onto the quayside, which is where the dragon boats are, hopefully. What's that big orange thing in the sky there? It's confusing. We have got a bit of construction work going on at the moment. It's a nightmare coming over the bridge. So it's probably best not to do it.
The light in the sky to all Mancunian visitors.
We've got the swing bridge there, and the high level bridge. Can't see any dragon boats anywhere. One dragon boat, where are you? These are the dragon boat crews. Can't see any dragon boats yet. Lots of lifebelts. Just getting ready to start the race now, I believe. So Brenda's an expert now on the dragon boat race, and she knows.
What's it do?
Next year.
The tide's going backwards.
Yeah.
Well, that's weird. That's what I'm saying. Where does the river go? Does anybody know? Can anybody tell me where the river goes? Because obviously it's supposed to be going out that way, but you can see the water coming in this way. So is there a river underneath still flowing? just having a walk along the quayside because we can see some kind of some marquee set up, so there might be something exciting happening there. Don't know. There we've got Steve and Mandy in the background.
In Newcastle. In the northeast, we've got our money grabber there.
That's a big charity raising thing. Not sure what they're raising the money for. But we'll have a look. Are they bars or are they just meeting places for people? What are we looking at, Brenda?
A flat up there, that's a nice one.
Oh yeah. No pressure when the camera's on you. Oh, she's nearly done it.
How many did you get?
You're going to get yourself a free England car flag. Donation, the next 200 donations, just the guys next door. You're going to get one of them.
I really do love living at the seaside, but I guess the next best place to live would probably be on the riverside, and you can't get a much better riverside than Newcastle. He gave me a proper look in mine. So Steve from Hugo Van has some interesting facts about the Millennium Bridge here.
So this is the Gateshead of the Millennium Bridge.
You can't even say Millennium.
Spans the time.
And that's without a drink.
Spans the time.
3 coffees though.
He has.
Goes up very slowly. Comes down very slowly.
Where can we see a video
Lights up
of
at
it?
night time. You can actually go onto my channel and find it somewhere when I regurgitate it.
It's actually in the open position at the moment, isn't it? And Mandy has just told us that it's a singles.
I know, Bandy.
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 And he
Yes,
can't
what
even
you
say
said.
that. And he's had no
Bandy.
beer either.
I haven't even had caffeinated coffee. I've been on the decaf. So Mandy has just informed us
No,
that this lovely
Mandy.
bridge, Mandy, is a single span bridge. There you go. Being the great YouTube vloggers that we are, we completely missed the bridge coming down. I don't know how that happened. Inside garden. We've got a little bar going on. Let's go and have a look, see how much the drink is. £5.90 a pint. It's just what was expected, to be fair.
The berries on the
Donut burger. 14 point something or other. I don't know what that means. Don't know whether that was the price or. Want a game, Bren? Want a game?
Well then.
And we do happy birthdays and everything for you. And they will be waiting up the time very shortly. Come on, Ryan, hurry up.
But look at the size of this one.
Take Captain Jack with you if you want.
It's beauty.
Yeah, come on, Captain.
Yes, it's a St. Simon.
That's not a Simon. It's got
No,
no
that
fur.
one is.
That's not a Simon either. So we're in a good little spot here, right on the side
I'm
of
getting me
time,
own back.
waiting for the next race going off. Well, there's another race just about to start. Sadly, the sun has gone in for a little bit. Oh no, not the Hawaii 5-0 music. Hawaii 5-0 music even. There we go.
This is going to be close. It is very close. I can see from here that's going to be right together.
The two inside teams paddling well, the outside team, they're all over the place. Look, that's what we call a Spanish.
Right, we're going to have a little beer. It's that time of the day. In the head of spoon. The grandbaby didn't come, so we're going for a beer instead. It's really dark.
I think that's the one they put origin top of, isn't it?
Bye. So what's your impression of the beer in this fine establishment?
It's lovely. It's a little bit bitter for me, but that's, you know, I don't usually drink stout.
It's really nice.
Me and Brenda got a little touch of lemonade.
Southern softies.
Southern soft, is it? What you got, man?
Stronger.
Proper stronger.
Proper stronger.
So second pint of the day is a lovely pint of... It will be. Two lovely pints of beer we just had in there. We had the stout, then I had a pint of Aspel, which was absolutely beautiful in the head of steam. And this is the, what did we call this area out here? The ginger seating area, because he's one here. Come here, man. Just, what do they call this area out here?
Oh, it's the ginger friendly beer garden.
Why?
It's to the shade.
The last of the heat. 4 more teams only can influence the score.
Oh, am I getting some green stuff? Go on, man. What we're having, Brenda?
Or is it spicy chicken? I don't know.
Korean, some Korean stuff. So we've got 3 pints of cider, 1 whiskey and coke, and it was about £7. Can't be bad. Cheers, me dears.
It's a 7 for me.
Oatmeal stout.
Dragon. Get out. Well, we just had a few beers in the quayside in Newcastle. It was very nice indeed. It's a Spoons, of course, and it's a golden hour, as you can see. It's very pretty. We'll look at the high level bridge there, and the Time Bridge, of course, in the background. The guys have left me, Brenda and Steve and Mandy. The tide's gone down substantially and we've missed the end of the dragon boat racing. But you know, well, look how fast, look at it now. Can you see how fast the river, I'm fast, yeah, how fast the river's going out to sea again now. But earlier on when we looked, the tide was going the other way. What the hell's that all about? Can somebody please tell me how a river works? Because I have no idea. Swing it, baby.
I thought you were the swinger. Oh!
I'm very interested in what's going on here then. I'm hoping I don't get a copyright strike on this. Right, we're doing where we're going to now. Steve and Mandy are taking us to somewhere. What did they say it was called?
Can't remember.
There's something or
Some
other.
pub.
It's got a record player in apparently, so let's go and see what they've got on the record
There
player.
is some.
The Crown Crusada. Let's have a look. Well, is it good?
Jane.
What's it like?
I don't know, I haven't tasted it yet.
Try it.
Grapefruity.
I love this pub.
So Mandy has an amazing fact about this book.
Top 44.
Take 44.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Good. Oh, that,
You can't work with these people.
so what's an amazing fact?
So this book's over 500 years old. It was originally bought by a pirate.
A pirate!
Pirate?
Right.
And I think he turned it into some kind of post office. Masada means.
How do you know this? I mean, how do you know this poo?
I said, oh, you random trivia queen, Alan.
Right. Mandy also has a disclaimer.
I might be talking about it. Yes, because I'm inside it.
We're the sensible one.
Yeah, I'm sure.
For now.
For now,
For now.
lovely guitar shop up there, you know. Come on, Brenda, up the steps. Come on. It's not a big step, it's just you're really, really tiny. Come on, up the steps. What's this place?
Army Central.
Is this Newcastle Cathedral?
It is. St. Luke's.
Wow. What's this place? You alright, mate? Yeah.
I know what to say. What did he say to you?
Yeah. I'm free. Is Steve free? Yay!
Got out of jail.
What do you reckon? It's really good, isn't it?
Amazing to see so many around.
In the garden. Oh, I've been eating that in a minute. Hello.
Hello.
How good do you feel now after the young girl?
Why do I feel good? Because she said I look
Said you
good.
look very
Good for 63.
Can't believe you're drinking in the train station.
I ain't. I've got all of it.
There's a railway police to come on, get that drink away. Right, that's it for today. We've been to Newcastle. We've had a good day. We watched the dragon boat racing. We've had a few beers in the pub, as we
Just one or two.
yeah, just one or two, or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. We've had a good day, yeah? Have you enjoyed it?
A very good
Yeah.
day.
So we're back in at home now, and we're just about, we've got off the train. We had a few beers in, where did we go?
With the spoons.
By the spoons, yeah, and that's it. So we're off home. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. And what should they do?
Subscribe.
How much does it cost?
It's free. It's absolutely free.
You know what you got to do. Night. Bye bye now. Give them a wink.
Wherever.
Night. Put the hand up so it stops recording.